Hi, I'm Katie from Ornamental Trees, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to correctly plant a mature tree. Mature trees are expertly grown over many years and are a great way to add instant impact to the garden. This guide is specifically for mature trees that are supplied in pots or bags, otherwise known as containerised trees. These can be planted at any time of year, provided the ground is not frozen or waterlogged. I'll also be covering how to correctly stake your mature tree using 2 stakes and a crossbar. Once you've found a suitable planting location, make sure you have the following equipment before you get started. A spade and trowel, compost and a large container for mixing your compost, a large or extra large tree stake and tie kit if it's a single stem tree, a lump hammer, a claw hammer, a saw, root grow, and a watering can or a hose pipe. We always recommend that heavy mature trees are handled by at least 2 people, so before you start planting, make sure you've enlisted the help of a friend or family member to help you handle your tree safely. Firstly, prepare the site by removing all weeds and grass, ideally within a metre of your desired planting hole. Dig a hole the same depth as the pot or root ball and about twice as wide. Digging a square hole will encourage the roots to grow straighter and extend out of the planting hole. Loosen the soil in the bottom of the hole, then sprinkle some root grow to help the tree to grow strong and healthy roots. Mix some of the soil from the hole with an equal proportion of compost, ready for backfilling later. Remove the pot or bag from your tree, using scissors if needed, and if you're able, gently loosen the outer roots, taking care not to break them. Place the root mass in the hole, ensuring the tree is upright and the top of the tree's compost is flush with the level of the surrounding soil. You can add or remove soil if needed. Once you're happy with the height of the planting hole, it's time to get staking. Staking is an important step in the planting process, as it will help the tree's roots to anchor properly, preventing root rot, which can lead to establishment issues. Staking is only necessary if you have a tree with a single stem. We don't recommend staking multi-stem trees or bushes. For mature trees, you'll need one of our large or extra large staking kits. You can check on our website which size is best for your chosen tree. Your mature tree staking kit will come with 2 stakes, a crossbar, belting, a rubber space block, 4 long nails and 4 short nails. Your stakes need to be positioned on either side of the root mass, slightly off centre of the stem, to allow enough space for your crossbar. Once the tree is staked, the stem needs to blow away from the crossbar in prevailing winds. So at this stage, when you are positioning your stakes, you need to consider on which side of the stem your crossbar is going to end up. Once you've positioned your stakes correctly, use your lump hammer to knock them into the ground until they are firm. Take care not to penetrate the root mass. Now, backfill with your soil and compost mix around the tree and stakes. Take care not to bank the soil up over the collar or graft union of the tree, as this can cause rotting. Gently press the soil to firm it. At this point, remove the bamboo cane, if the tree comes with one. Then, attach the crossbar to the stakes using your claw hammer and 4 long nails, like so. Then, using your saw, you can remove any excess length from the crossbar. Now, thread your belting through the rubber space block and wrap around the stem, at a level with the crossbar. The belting should be wrapped firmly enough to support the tree, but not so tight as to restrict the tree's growth. Make sure the rubber space block is positioned correctly between the tree and crossbar to prevent rubbing. Then, attach the belting to the crossbar using your claw hammer and short nails, making sure the tree remains upright. Next, give your tree a generous soaking by pouring water directly at the base of the tree. If it's spring or summer, continue to water well and regularly as required. If you're planting in autumn, you may only need to water a little. In winter, dormant trees generally don't require any watering, unless it is particularly dry. You can check our website for specific watering requirements by species. To learn more about watering, make sure to watch our other video guide on how to water trees correctly. After planting, keep the planting area free of competing weeds, grass and other plants for the first couple of growing seasons. Keep the stakes in place for about 3 to 5 years, after which time they can be removed, provided the tree has established well. If you need to adjust the belting at any point, you can do so by removing the nails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch our other video guides for more tree care advice. We hope you enjoy a beautiful tree for years to come.